You searched how to buy shares of Click Holdings Ltd/BVI, a technology and digital services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CLIK. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy CLIK, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CLIK, then select the listing that shows NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. Make sure the company name and ticker match before proceeding. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the CLIK listing. Check the company name, ticker, and recent price action to be certain it is correct. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you wish to follow the same steps.